G'day Biscuit Buffs. Forget your regular cookies. Today we're going truly Aussie with these ultimate biscuits. Bursting with wattle seed flavour, crunchy macadamia pieces, and creamy white chocolate chunks. They are incredible. For these Aussie beauties, you'll need some softened butter, brown sugar, caster sugar, an egg, plain flour, some lovely macadamia nut pieces, creamy white chocolate chunks or chips, and our star Aussie ingredient, wattle seeds. We'll also need baking paper lined trays. First up, in a bowl, we're going to beat together the softened butter, brown sugar, and caster sugar until they're nice and smooth and well combined. This usually takes a minute or two. Or maybe a bit longer since I grabbed the wrong attachment. Make your life easy and use the paddle. Scrape the bowl down as you go, making sure the mixture is uniform in texture. Now crack in an egg and beat that until everything is just combined. Do not overmix at this stage. Next, we'll add in the plain flour, wattle seeds, white chocolate, and finally the toasted macadamia nuts. I toasted the macadamia in the oven with a teaspoon of wattle. Check out how to toast the nuts in a previous video, link above. Mix until it's just incorporated and they're evenly distributed throughout the dough. Oh, smell that nutty aroma. Now take about 2 level tablespoons of the mixture and roll them into balls. Place them on your prepared baking trays, leaving a bit of space between each one, as they will spread. For an extra touch of deliciousness and to make them look extra inviting, press a few extra white chocolate chunks, or maybe a couple of extra macadamia nut pieces onto the top of each biscuit. Into a preheated oven they go. Bake them for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're lightly golden around the edges. Once they're done, take them out and carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, and try to resist eating them straight away. Look at these beauties. Golden, nutty, chocolatey, the ultimate Aussie biscuit. They're perfect with a cuppa or just on their own. The full recipe is, as always, in the description. Enjoy!